This is a use case video to demonstrate a common use case with Cassandra. As I hover over the lines in the event count chart, you can see exactly how many log files are generated at any time. As I go over the donut chart here, you can see all of the IP addresses of the nodes where my log files are coming from. The top row is my entire Cassandra cluster, and below that, each row shows the IP address of one of the nodes in that cluster. I'm also showing the node address in the first donut chart on the top row. This way, I can quickly see the node, the application, and the processes my logs are coming from. Maybe something went wrong on one of my nodes and I want to see if I had an out-of-memory error. I can navigate to that very quickly by doing a full text search. I can see where it is, and only the node that had the out-of-memory error is showing. The other nodes didn't have the same error. From here, I can quickly navigate to see the error that happened in the list, and in the embedded table I can see all the information from the log generated when the error happened. If we want to show where exceptions happened and get a look at those exceptions, well, I just want to see the exceptions in the Cassandra logs. I can do that by clicking on the donut chart here. And we can see the Cassandra is added to our filters in the breadcrumbs at the top. If we had an exception that was caused by a timing event, it would line up vertically along the nodes we're viewing. We can drill down into exceptions as we find them. I'm able to see my full stack trace here. It looks like we're trying to send a query. The information from the table here can also be viewed as JSON, by the way. And we can see stack traces for all the errors. This makes Knowtify Log Analytics a really powerful tool when you're troubleshooting complex applications. On the left side of this, we have all the Solr fields in the current collection. By clicking on each of the fields, you can see the top values with a bar chart for each. This can be really useful information when you're creating your own custom dashboards. We can remove breadcrumbs and our query text and return to our starting state very quickly, ready to find more gold inside our log files. Part of the flexibility of Knowtify Log Analytics is our ability to host this on almost any system that you might have in place, while still being highly cost competitive.